Not everyone is your ideal customer or client. Finding the right one is key to building long-term business relationships to grow and thrive. Here are 7 simple tips to growing your small business. Tip 1. Build a brand for your business. Building a brand and creating a strong brand strategy can make a major difference to the success of your business. Tip 2. Dig deep and research your audience. Ask yourself these simple questions. What are their pain points? What are their needs? What are their spending habits? How does your product or service fit into their lives? By answering those simple questions, you can begin to connect with your key customer. Tip 3. Make the customer the hero of your business story. That will make them feel more connected to your brand. Tip 4. Make the personality of your brand shines on your business. Communicate your message consistently. Consumers must be aware of who you are as a brand and what you stand for. Your brand should provide clarity and stand out from the competition. Tip 5. Learn the style of your audience communication. For example, how does your target market speak? Speak to them in the same manner. How do they dress? Communicate with them in a manner that would reflect their lifestyle. Tip 6. Showcase your brand's elements such as your logo and brand tone across your marketing material and the platforms that you use. Consistency is key. So remember to be consistent when communicating your brand message. Tip 7. Always analyze your marketing efforts and tweak your strategy when necessary. Hi, I'm Danica Robert. Thanks for listening. Take care, and God bless you.